So the Airbnb is about an hour's walk away, or a 15-minute taxi ride. We chose our walk because we like to walk everywhere, and we're gonna see the city better that way. So here we go.
Woo!
After a nice 3-mile walk, we're at the Airbnb in Patras. There's the bed, fridge, and the bathroom. Little kitchen. Just got dinner for €5. I'm liking Greece. Here's our street. We're just staying in a room in someone's house near the end of this street. Very quiet, even though it's so close to a busy street. The light looks so green in the camera, but not out here. Yeah. Here's the gate, which I hope I left unlocked. Oh. Thank you. Here's the new HD TV. Stuck together by duct tape.
Oh, and okay, Piraeus.
Terrible.
Stop! Let's go away. We just got breakfast at the same place we got dinner last night, and it is so yummy. We got these huge chocolate croissants and chocolate milk. In total, it was like $3.50.
Yeah, very cheap. And now we are walking about another hour to the train station, or I guess bus station, since the trains aren't working. And we're gonna take a bus to Kyoto, and then from Kyoto take a train to Athens, and then change at Athens and go to Piraeus, because that's the biggest port near Athens, and so we'll have to take that for Santorini tomorrow. So we're gonna be sleeping in a hostel in Piraeus, something like that.
I've got somebody to love. This is a dream.
Megan has been singing Lizzie McGuire ever since she posted her Trevi Fountain picture.
Hey now.
And also we are here 2 hours before our bus, so we're just waiting around.
I'm missing a lyric in between that.
What is it?
Who I have become.
I don't think that's in the song.
Got somebody to love. This is what dreams are made of. I'm missing some lyrics in there.
This is what I'm stuck with for the rest of the day. And it's a lot of traveling. Oh god.
Hey now. Hey now.
So it is now 5:30. Been here for half an hour at our hostel, standing outside the front door, and nobody has answered yet. Just been ringing the bell back and forth. Nobody has answered for half an hour. Whatever you do, do not stay here. This place sucks. So 40 minutes later and we're in the room. We got a private room and this is what they gave us.
A private room for two.
Yeah, we just got a room for ourselves and they gave us this room. But they promised us no one else was coming. I can see why. And we have our own bathroom now.
At least we got the sauce.
What do you think?
All pita.
Is it better than Pita Jungle?
Yeah.
Yeah. It is about 5:30 a.m. Just woke up and we're gonna have to walk to the port and then catch a bus over to our gate and then take the ferry to Santorini. And here we got breakfast. These cool little croissants that are pre-packaged. Hazelnut. And this really good juice that we got on the ship that we got more of. Carrots, oranges, and apples. This little guy. Here's what Piraeus looks like when the sun is still down and no one is walking around yet. Yeah, it's really warm. I think there's a club here still going on at like 5:40 in the morning. Just got on the bus to get to the next gate for our boat. We walked to the wrong gate at first. We got told to move over here. So now we're on the right bus. Very tired. Did you try the juice?
Very good.
Had it?
Yeah.